Headlines were everywhere, but now it's official, we are in a recession.
Inflation is now at a 40-year high, with consumer prices jumping to 8.6% in May.
Overall, the near-term economic outlook has weakened relative to the projections released by the Federal Open Market Committee at the end of January. It now appears likely that real gross domestic product will not grow much, if at all, over the first half of 2008, and could even contract slightly.
Even though the Dow closed at another record high, our next guest is warning that he's seeing some recession indicators flashing red.
These crises are going to happen again and again. I think that's one thing that you learn when you go through that.
The same crisis is almost certainly not going to happen. Something else will, but not the same.
When's the next recession going to hit? That is the million-dollar question that politicians, government officials, and really anybody wants an economist to answer. And the truth is, those are hard to predict. We do have a model for it though, and that's what you're learning about in this module. It's called the aggregate demand, aggregate supply model. And much like the name suggests, it has similarities to traditional supply and demand with the idea of equilibriums. Those equilibriums tells us where our nation's GDP, unemployment rate, and price level is going to fall to help us determine the stages of the business cycle and economic growth. It is a complex model. If we're going to predict something as elusive and complex as recessions, there's going to be several assumptions built in. So buckle in, and I hope you enjoy learning about this very powerful model.